Hi, this is Zoe. Welcome to my channel.
Today I would like to introduce you to the protein powder bags. Custom protein powder bags are custom-made bags for protein powders. It adopts high barrier material, which effectively isolates air and moisture, and keeps the product fresh and nutritious. In addition, the packaging bag also has a resealable design, which is convenient for users to open and close during use. Compared with ordinary packaging bags, custom protein powder bags have better freshness preservation performance. High barrier material can effectively protect the powder from air and moisture, prolonging the shelf life of the product. Plus, the resealable design allows users to conveniently control the amount of powder used and keep the pouch airtight.
If you want to know more details, please follow us or check the website. See you next time.